Sleep comes easily and naturally to me, wrapping me in comfort. I welcome deep, peaceful sleep that restores my body and mind. Each breath carries me closer to calm relaxation and gentle rest. My body knows how to release the day and drift into stillness. Grateful for the healing that sleep brings to every cell in my body. Each night I sink into nourishing rest that renews me completely. My dreams are safe, loving, and filled with gentle wisdom. I allow my mind to soften and quiet as I prepare for restful sleep. Sleep is a gift, and I gladly receive it tonight. My bed feels like a sanctuary where I am fully supported. Drift to sleep with ease, knowing tomorrow is a new beginning. My body melts into comfort, releasing all tension of the day. I sleep soundly and awaken feeling refreshed and renewed. My dreams inspire and guide me with love. Sleep is a natural state that my body welcomes with gratitude. Each night I let go of worries and sink into serenity. I trust that sleep restores me deeply than I even realize. My dreams bring healing and joy to my subconscious mind. Sleep is a nourishing day ahead. My body relaxes, my mind quiets, and I drift into peaceful sleep. I am grateful for the safety and comfort of this restful night. Each hour of sleep nourishes me more deeply than the last. I welcome the stillness of night as it calms and soothes me. My dreams are vivid, uplifting, and filled with meaning. I easily release the thoughts of today and welcome sweet rest. Sleep restores my energy and strengthens my spirit. Each night I surrender to sleep with trust and ease. My body repairs and rejuvenates itself while I sleep. My dreams connect me to inner wisdom and creativity. I drift off easily, carried by peace and relaxation. My mind grows quiet and peaceful as I prepare for sleep. Sleep is a healing medicine that my body craves and receives fully. I awaken feeling grateful, rested, and alive with new energy. My dreams are guided by love and filled with joy. Each night of rest makes me stronger, healthier, and more vibrant. My sleep is deep, calm, and free of interruptions. Giving it the rest it deserves. release stress and tension, allowing sleep to flow naturally. My subconscious mind embraces dreams of love and hope. Sleep nourishes my spirit and aligns me with peace. I drift into sleep easily and wake with clarity and joy. My dreams are a sacred space of healing and creativity. Sleep is a blessing, and I accept it with gratitude. My body feels lighter as I sink into peaceful rest. Each night is a chance to recharge and renew myself fully. My sleep is restful, rejuvenating, and deeply satisfying. With gratitude for the deep rest I received. My dreams are clear, gentle, and filled with love. Sleep deeply and awaken with a refreshed outlook. My bed supports me as I surrender to rest and renewal. To fill my body as I drift into sleep. Sleep carries me into a state of deep healing and relaxation. Each morning energized and full of vitality. My dreams is my natural state, and I embrace it easily. Each night I recharge my spirit and body with rest. My dreams bring clarity, guidance, and inspiration. I drift to sleep with a grateful heart. My sleep is restorative, nourishing, and peaceful. I release all that no longer serves me as I rest. My subconscious mind is open to love and healing while I dream. Each hour of rest fills me with new strength. I am grateful for the healing power of restful sleep. My sleep is deep, natural, and effortless. I awaken ready to embrace the beauty of the new day. My dreams are kind, comforting, and uplifting. Sleep restores balance to my body and mind.